All right, so we've been working on this project here for a few weeks, and it is done. So as you can see behind me, we've got plants installed, we've got rocks installed, more plants and everything behind me. So go ahead and check it out and see how everything turned out. So let's start off by looking at what this backyard looked like. So here are some before pictures. These were taken back in February. As you can see, there's not very many things going on in the garden beds right now. There's this eastern redbud tree that we ended up taking out to open up the space, but it really needed a lot of love and attention, and that's what we did to it here. So we had to start off by clearing out all the debris. As you see, one of our team members here is taking out an old tree stump and just really just opening up the beds and creating a blank canvas. Now we're starting to bring in the boulders, created a whole boulder wall in the back, and I think we used about 25 tons worth of rock just for this back section here. So here's a shot of what everything looked like after it was installed and before the plants had come in. This is another image as you're standing down at the street of what it looked like. I was really proud about how that had turned out. Now we're going in to see what the final product looked like. So right here in this garden bed, the customer wanted to provide a little bit more privacy along the back side here. So we planted these arborvitae trees that will end up growing and to help just kind of create a little bit more natural barrier between their property and the neighbors. We've got some other color plants as well, hydrangeas, coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, that'll help make that area pop as well. We installed this really big blue spruce tree and then continuing on with the evergreens here. We got 3 different kinds of evergreens. We have the tall junipers, which are actually going to have a blue tint to it. We've got some smaller light green arborvitaes in between there, and then we also have these round plants as well that are called globe arborvitaes. Now getting into the more interesting plants here on this section of the property. We've got some spiral juniper, some cranky boy arborvitaes. There's a pom-pom juniper right in the back there as well. Give this about another month or so, and these plants are going to start sprouting, growing, and maturing, and the landscape is going to be looking a lot more